Jai Sriman Kausalya Mata saying to Rama that, "Ho Rama, did you listen all the words spoken by Lakshmana? If you are willing to follow that, come on, make your strategy now. Or if you want to again follow righteous path and go into the forest, don't go into the forest. You don't have to go into the forest, but at least without even becoming a king, you can still be in this kingdom. Don't leave me alone, Rama. I cannot live here without you. You can be here. Even if you do not become king, I don't care. At least be here in the kingdom and take care of me." Taking care of mother also is a high level of righteous virtue. "Ho Rama, at least please do that." Like that, Kausalya Mata, while crying, she is saying all these things to Rama. Kausalya Mata now tells Rama that, "Ho Rama, in the past, all the great soldiers, they took care of their mothers only with the compassion, only with the blessings of their mothers. All of them attained the divine abodes. Ho Rama, how much ever you respect your father, so also I gain the same respect. So with that power, with that authority, now I am telling you that, I am ordering you that not to go to forest at all. I am not going to permit you to go to forest. Ho Rama, even after seeing me crying so much, if you still decide to go to forest, I am going to commit suicide. Rama, do you want to kill your mother like this?" Like this, Kausalya Mata telling so many things and mentioning so many things to Rama while crying so much. Then Rama is now tells Kausalya Mata, "Oh Amma Kausalya Mata, I have no power, I have no desire to transgress my father's orders. Please allow me to go to forest. I do Sashtanga Namaskaram to you. Prasadaye Tvam Sirasa Gantum Ichchami Aham Vanam. Oh Mata, please allow me to go to forest. I can tell you, I can show you, I can give you the evidence from all of our ancestors. There are so many great soldiers. Every one of them followed their father's orders. Oh Mata, there used to be great King Sagara. You know that his sons, 60,000 sons, all of them faced terrible death only in the process of obeying their father's orders. Mata, Kausalya Mata, you know Parasurama, Bhargavarama, in the process of obeying his father's orders, Parasurama decapitated his mother in the forest. Parasurama cut the head of his own mother Renuka just in the process of obeying his own father's orders. Oh Mata, until now, in entire of my dynasty, everybody followed their father's words, their father's orders. Amma, Mata, I am not introducing any new system to you. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama 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 Dasaratha Rama He He Raja Rama He He Raja Rama He He Sita Rama He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana Sloka, a Gita Sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.